Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Mandeville. On the left is the Mandeville Market. Now, I read an article the other day that I found a bit interesting. So I'm going to ask you guys what you think. Well, I'm going to ask you guys, what do you think about these markets in Jamaica? This market on the left, have they done their time? Are they really needed in a modern Jamaica? And if they are, the management, the cleanliness, how clean these markets are, it's a question that needs to be addressed. Now, the article in question spoke about accumulation of garbage on the streets in Mandeville. They said the streets are also being used as a dumping ground for debris and other waste products. And they spoke specifically about this market in Mandeville and the two taxi parks adjacent. And when we make the videos of the markets, when we drive through downtown Kingston, people always comment on it. And then the article says it is clear from the accumulation of garbage that the cleanliness of the street is being greatly neglected by the responsible authorities. They're talking about the Mandeville now. Whenever it rains, the situation is made even worse as the produce from the market washes down onto the streets. Market vendors also disregard rotten produce or peelings onto the area. This then intensifies the odor and attracts flies and rodents. Guys, can anybody comment on the situation in Mandeville? Tell us what you think. And more has to be done. I mean, when you look at these markets, we are in the year 2024. And when you look at these markets, they look like nothing has been done to them in over 100 years. We're going to do a video of downtown Kingston and show you the market that we're talking about. I don't know, guys. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. But in terms of the garbage and the debris on the road, more definitely needs to be done. And we can't put the blame solely on, I guess it's the local government in charge of these markets, because maybe the facilities are in the market, but the vendors are just not using the facilities to disregard the garbage. Also, illegal vending is a serious problem, and this is one of the problems. This is one of the reasons why it's such a problem. They don't have, when it comes on to illegal vending now, they don't have proper waste management facilities. Maybe the markets have them, but somebody comes, stands up outside the market and creates a mess. But at the end of the day, do we really need these markets? I'm asking a question, guys. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.